Hello guys from All for Shooters. We're again here in Niederweimar in Germany. This time we're testing one gun from Unique Alpine called the Universal Präzisionsgewehr. This is the UPG-1. I hope I pronounce it well. Basically, this gun is available in two versions. One has a 420 millimeter barrel, and the other one has a 66 centimeter barrel. Now, this gun is normally available in four calibers. That is the 243 Winchester, the 6.5 Creedmoor, the 6.5 by 47 Lapua, and 308 Winchester. The short version with the 420 millimeter barrel is only available in 308. This gun, the UPG-1, is basically a sports gun. It is available with a folding stock or a fixed stock. We have both here to show you. The forend is M-LOK compatible, so you can just mount the Picatinny rails wherever you need them on top of the forend. It is a chassis system. It's made of alloy, and the action is a steel action. Basically, this gun has a removable magazine that is AICS compatible. This is made by Magpul. The pistol grip of this gun is AR-15 compatible, so we can place any kind of third-party pistol grip on the market that is compatible with the AR-15 and the M4 on this gun. The adjustable stock has a length of pull and the height of the cheek piece adjustment, and it is also available with a special Picatinny rail on the lower part so that we can use monopods on the rear part. In the end, this is a gun that is built for accuracy. The bolt action gun is made for sport shooting, but it could also be used for some hunts. But this specific model has a configuration that is more towards a sports shooter. The bolt has a three-position safety. One is for fire, one is for safety, and the last one is for safety plus locking the bolt, which cannot be opened at that point. All in all, this is a very nice gun, especially considering the selling price for it. We expect it to be a very, very, very popular gun at one point. One last word is for the trigger. The trigger pack is adjustable from 900 all the way up to 2.5 kilograms in weight. Well, I really like short rifles. The UPG-1 Scout is really, really, really nice. I like the caliber. I've always been partial to the 308 Winchester. And I like the way this one shoots. Sure, it has quite a kick. It's not smooth recoil as the other rifles we tested. The caliber has its own strength. It's very accurate. I like it a lot. I like the way it cycles. I like the trigger a lot. I'm really impressed with this kind of rifles because they're really, really affordable, and what they give for that amount of money is really good. Please stay with us, and any comment, any idea, just post it below and we will be back with you.
Ich glaube, ich muss jetzt erstmal nachtanken.